In the decades before 1861, the United States was not one nation, but two. A deep and bitter divide was growing between the North and the South, setting the stage for a catastrophic conflict. In the North, smokestacks, not cotton stalks, defined the landscape. This was a society of industry, of bustling cities, and of constant change, fueled by a massive wave of European immigration. A powerful moral crusade, the abolitionist movement was gaining strength, arguing that the institution of slavery was a stain on the nation's soul. Voices like Frederick Douglass and Harriet Beecher Stowe, through her novel Uncle Tom's Cabin, exposed the brutal reality of slavery to a horrified Northern public. But down in the South, life moved at a different pace, dictated by the seasons of an agricultural economy. This was a world built on tradition, honor, and most critically, on the labor of nearly 4 million enslaved people. The Southern economy, particularly after the invention of the cotton gin, was inextricably linked to slavery. Southerners fiercely defended their way of life, arguing for states' rights. The idea that federal authority could not override a state's right to govern itself, especially concerning slavery. For years, political compromises tried to paper over the cracks. The Missouri Compromise of 1820 and the Compromise of 1850 attempted to balance the number of free and slave states as the nation expanded westward, but these were temporary fixes. Events like the Kansas-Nebraska Act, which led to violent clashes in Bleeding, Kansas, and the Supreme Court's Dred Scott decision, which declared that African Americans were not citizens, only deepened the animosity. The election of Abraham Lincoln in 1860 was the breaking point. Lincoln was the candidate of the Republican Party, which was founded on a platform of preventing the expansion of slavery. For the South, his victory was a direct threat to their existence.